Hello my friends, welcome to today's video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. Today, well rather yesterday, I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Five Below just to check out what art supplies they may have brought in that I don't already have. And unfortunately my Dollar Tree was quite a mess, but I did manage to find a few things and I thought I'd share that with you. And I'm actually going to try and do a painting on one of these little ceramic plaques that I found. So this is what I managed to find. This is similar to a washi tape. So I don't know if you know, but the prices at Dollar Tree have gone up from $1 to $1.25, which is not that bad. But this is very similar to a washi tape. I've not tried it yet, but $1.25. I can probably get it a little cheaper on Amazon, more of them, but that's not bad. Then I found this makeup brush cleaning mitt, and although I definitely could use it to clean my makeup brushes, slip it on your fingers and you take your brush and you just scrub it on there. But what I really wanted it for was for watercolor. When I'm painting, I can just drop it in my glass, put a little water, fill it with the water, and then I can just lightly scrub my brush on there very gently to release all the watercolor. And if it doesn't fit, because this is what it looks like, you can also just trim off this part of it and just drop it into your glass. But I think that I'll keep it as it is because it's not a big deal. So that was a neat find. They also have round ones, but I've not been able to find the round ones like at Dollar Tree. So I also bought this craft knife set. So it's 7 pieces and it's kind of like an X-Acto blade and it has different shape blades. And I always need one of these. I do have this type of blade. Hold on. I have these types of blades, but this is more precise. I think that this will work better. So for $1.25, I thought it was a pretty good deal. And then I was really excited to find these. These are cutting mats and they are 8 inches by, 6 inches? And I do have a larger one, but this smaller one will really come in handy for smaller projects that I have. So for $1.25, again, I thought it was a good deal. And then I found these crafters squares. They're canvas panels and they are 8 by 8 inches. And I thought I would buy them because I would like to try and see what the quality is. So when I work with alcohol inks on these types of panels, I do 2 coats of the, what's it called? Kills 2 primer. And it's a water-based primer and it seals the canvas really nicely and it helps the ink flow very smoothly on the canvas board. So I'll try this in another video, but these were each $1.25 and they have lots of different sizes. They have smaller ones that come 2 in a package for the same price. So let's see how that works out. But what I was excited about is that I found these ceramic little, this one is actually a frame and I'll show you that in a moment. This one is a plaque. And because it's ceramic, I imagine that the inks will flow very nicely on them. So again, $1.25. But this one here is actually a frame. And when I saw it, I thought it was a dish, and I thought that it would be nice to paint something on it and put it on my nightstand so I can put my jewelry in it at night when I take it off. But you can use it as a frame if you like. I imagine it'll be simple to remove this. Yeah, I think it will be. But you can use it, paint something on it and use it as a picture somewhere in your home. So what I want to do with this today is I'm going to use it as a tray. So I'm going to remove this backing. That was easy. And I'll scrape this all off at another time. I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol. I'm going to spray it because I want to make sure that I have all the oils off of it so that the ink moves nicely. And what's great about it is that if you don't like your first attempt, you can always try again. Just simply wipe it off. But I imagine that working on this is the equivalent of working on a ceramic tile. And then what I'll do is I can seal it with the KAMAR varnish and then the UV protection. And if I want to, I can resin it as well, so that it does whatever I paint on it doesn't get ruined by throwing my jewelry in there. Okay, so I'm not sure what I want to paint on here, but I was thinking maybe something simple, something abstract with some ripples in it. I don't know. I think I'll throw down a couple of colors. I've got my bottles, and I don't know why I love the purples and the blues together. Maybe because summertime is coming and because it reminds me of the ocean and the beach. So that's what I'm going to go with. All right, so I'm going to use these two colors. I've got my blow dryer, and I've got some alcohol in this little bottle here. Yeah, I don't know where my other alcohol bottle is. But anyway, all right, so let's get started. I'm just going to put down some colors, rather these two colors. I'm going to let them kind of blend together. And then I'm going to put down some alcohol on top of it all. And then I'm going to start drying it. Let's see what happens. Let's put it on low, first of all. So I'm going to tip the tray towards the direction that I'm blowing, that my blow dryer is at. And I got to tell you, it's pretty easy to get ripples on here. Now I'm keeping this very simple because I just wanted to show you what you can do if you have a Dollar Tree near you and you find some of these dishes. Let me add a little bit more alcohol in here. But you can add some gold or silver in here, and that would look really pretty as well. But I'm getting some nice ripples in here. It seems to work really well on this ceramic. And I'm sure there are going to be areas that I don't like, but because it's ceramic, you can easily wipe it away, so that's not a problem. Okay, so I really like the way that turned out. Now to clean up the edges, all you need is, you can use a cotton swab with a little bit of alcohol on it. I would grab a paper towel as well. I'm going to blot some of that off, and then to clean off these edges, just run your cotton swab, or you can even use your finger. You've seen me do this before. Some alcohol on your finger and just run it in the area that you want to remove. And then make sure you move the paper towel on your finger to a clean area. And wipe again. That's a lovely sound. So you can see it's really easy to clean, And I didn't want it to go up the side of the dish, because if I do choose to resin this, I will just add the resin to the bottom of the dish. I don't want it to come up the side of the dish. And I'll probably redo this, take my time and do it again, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to clean up, just like on a ceramic tile. And well, you get the idea. So now you can seal it with the KAMAR varnish and the UV protection. You can throw a little layer of resin in there, put this by your nightstand, throw your jewelry in there, or you can keep the little thing on the back that I ripped off and use it as a little frame. Actually, that is really cute as a frame. I may go back and get some more. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you have a Dollar Tree near you, and that you can get your hands on some of these. This one should be fun to work on as well. These make really great little gifts too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please consider joining my Facebook group, Vivo Vintage Design Tutorials, where you can share your versions of the tutorials and techniques learned on this channel. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.